Well, hello guys, my name is Nick from Nick's Toy Garage, and today part 8 of my massive auction lot unboxing. This is the stuff we've already done. Links to these videos are in the description down below, and this is what I still need to do. I think 2 or 3 more videos. Today we're going to tackle that box and maybe a little bit of that one. Starting with, this is a Mitsubishi Evo rally car. And we have a Harley Davidson. This is a Screaming Eagle Road Glider, nice one. Then we have a Ford Escort Cosworth, really nice shape. The body of a Peugeot, another motorcycle. This is a Motor Guzzi Polizia, nice. A Porsche. This is a 356B. Then we have a Subaru Impreza. I love these cars. This is a heavy one. This is a Burago Ford Focus. Nice one. I'm going to scoot over a little bit so I can record these a little bit better. Let's see what else is in here. We have a Ford Focus, one of these really light cars. And we have... Is this a CB? Okay, wasn't expecting that. Then we have Citroën Xara, a Formula 1 car. This is a Benetton Ford B188. Quad with a missing wheel. Oh damn, I dropped it. Honda F6C motorcycle. Morgan, nice model. Another motorcycle. This is the Yamaha XV1000 Virago. Another Harley Davidson. Next, oh, a Ford Escort RS Cosworth. Nice. Then this is probably the Peugeot under thingy. Another Focus. Let's see what else we have here. We have a Porsche. This is a Porsche Carrera 911. Another Citroën Xara. Formula 1 car. This is a Ferrari. This is the F310. Seriously? Tools. Okay. Formula 1 car. This is not sure, it doesn't say on it, but I like it. Another motorcycle. This is a Yamaha 2001 Roadstar. Toyota, the Castrol livery. We have another Toyota. Some trucks, not going to show those. We have 2 more motorcycles. Nice. Police motorcycle. Little cheap thingy. Another Subaru Impreza. Rally car. Truck bed with truck. Another motorcycle, really nice one actually. This is a Mercedes truck. Everything in this store, by the way, almost everything is for sale. You see right here. If you see anything you like, please shoot me a message. This is a 1914 Studs Racer. Nice model. Then we have a Fiat Punto, Jaguar XJS. This is just paper. Another motorcycle. A little Derby motorcycle. And we have a C4 Corvette. Mercedes truck. Oh, an old matchbox. This is a, where does it say? A grid, what was it? Grid spreading truck. Which should be really nice to restore. We have a Toyota Supra. A truck and an Aston Martin DB, what is it? DB7. Let's see what else. This is another Ford Escort, a little trophy thingy, forgot the name, forklift. Then we have a Lotus, Lamborghini Diablo, nice. Lots and lots of these wheels, I'm gonna take them out. This is a, let's see, Matchbox Nissan Xterra, or something like that. A BMW M3. Piece of paper. Next we have this thing. We have a BMW police car. a Mercedes ML, a little Citroen C3, a Porsche. This is a Boxer. I think it is. Yes, Boxer. And we have a BMW, a Mercedes. An old Ferrari. This is a Ferrari P4. Nice. Next we have a Porsche. This is a Ferrari F40, sorry. A stock car. This is a Matchbox Chevrolet Lumina. Never heard of that one. Then we have a Mitsubishi Evo, a Ford Sierra, a VW Golf from Majorette. Let's see what else. We have a pickup, some ambulance, Ford Mustang with a stand, so $2 million just about. We have a Chevrolet tow truck with a back missing, a BMW station wagon, an Audi TT. Oh, this is a Mustang. This is I can't read it. This is a Matchbox Mustang Cobra Jet. That's been on the bottom of the ocean probably. We're restoring another Matchbox Formula 1 car, Mercedes, a motorcycle. Nice. Another tow truck, tow service. Then we have a Mercedes. This is a 600 SEL. A little rally car, some wheels, BMW. And we have, this is a Ford Granada, a Porsche convertible, a BMW police car. Then we have, what is this? This is a Chevrolet Corvette, a Jeep Grand Cherokee, another rally car, Ford Escort, a Nissan minivan. Then we have a Golf. This is a, let's see the bottom, this is a Holden pickup. Really nice one, missing the back bit, I'm guessing. Another Formula 1 car, and last but not least for this box is this thingy. So let's start with the box number 2. I'm going to try to fly through them a little bit faster because we still have a million more parts to go. We have a Majorette ambulance, a bus, express tours bus, helicopter, nothing that interesting. This is a nice one. This is a Matchbox from the Super King racing car transporter. So a really nice one, actually, really nice find. Then we have a Z8, I think. Yes, a Z8 with the missing wheels. That's a shame. A monster truck. Another trailer. We have a Matchbox Formula 1 car. Nice. Next, let's pull out the big one. We have a Ferrari Testarossa. Truck and trailer. This is Matchbox, Majorette. Recognize the wheels. Then we have a Lotus Elan. A Jaguar, but this is a really cheap one, I'm guessing. I'm going to find somewhere to sit because this is getting annoying. We have a Matchbox Police Patrol, which has been painted in a lovely red. Another monster truck, Ford Model A. Nice, with the headlights intact. This is a garbage truck from Matchbox, a Porsche convertible. A nice truck. You have a Unimog ambulance. This is a car transport trailer. Also a nice one. This is a Matchbox Super King pickup truck. Glass is intact, every part is there, so this should be easy to restore from Team Honda. Next we have some cheap plastic roadworks thingy. Another police car with the same red paint shop. Not a garbage truck. This is then, I think, the truck for the trailer we just had. Dumper truck. Then we have a Morgan. Nice Morgan. Some Ville Paris. A Majorette, what does this say? Foregone. An ice cream truck, I'm guessing. Next, a Mercedes truck. A Hot Wheels thing. This is a nice one. This is a Mercedes 300 SE. The roof is a little bit caved in, but I think I can fix this one. Then we have a high trailer It's a trailer, yes. A little more ambulance. This nice and big one, this is a Majoette actually. No name on it, but this is just a van. A Ferrari. This is a bank security Majoette vehicle. Doing a couple more. A Corvette. This is a Simca 1308. First Simca I've seen in this box, really nice. Mercedes ambulance. BMW station wagon. This is a wildlife. No, the kennel truck. This is the kennel truck from Matchbox, but the grill is missing, so you can get those, so that's a real shame. You have a 4x4 Jeep. Another Majoette Lamborghini Diablo. Nice. No, is it a Diablo? Yeah, no, I don't know. It's too hollow inside to think. Then we have the Mercedes Matchbox trailer. And one more for this part. This is the fantastic Matchbox. So thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in part 9, I think. Bye.